Welcome to episode 2 of TWIK, Teaching What I Know, where I'll break down technical jargon into simple and relatable words to discuss crucial types of networking that we should know about. In episode 1, I talked about LAN, which is local area network, communication in the same environment. In this episode 2, we'll talk about PAN, which is personal area network. We'll talk about GAN, campus area network. We'll talk about MAN, Metropolitan area network. We'll talk about WAN, wide area network. We'll talk about GAN, global area network, and SAN, storage area network. Now let's start with PAN, personal area network. It's a network that connects your personal devices using the wireless connection, or you connect with your physical device in a short distance, like a few meters. An example, you want to connect your phone or your PC with your AirPod, you use your Bluetooth, that is wireless connection. You want to connect your phone to your PC to turn on the mobile hotspots, to use it to surf, or probably to send data from your phone to your PC locally, that is wireless connection. You want to connect with your smartwatch, that is wireless connection, using your Bluetooth, that is wireless connection. Now the physical device is an example of your USB cord, your PC and your phone to send documents, photos or videos, that is physical device connection. That's about personal area network. Now let's move on to CAN, campus area network. Campus area network is a network that connects multiple LANs together to create connection in a geographical area. For example, like your university, or let's say an estate, where you have different buildings, then you connect them together to make sure that data can be sent smoothly and fast. You can create a LAN network in building A and B, then you can connect them together. You can do this in two ways, either the wireless connection or wired connection. The wireless connection, you use the wireless bridge. The wireless bridge is a physical device that uses radio waves to detect LAN traffic, but not like your phone that use radio waves also to search for Wi-Fi signal. This one will detect LAN traffic, then it will connect them together for smooth experience. When someone in building A is sending data to someone in building B, it will be fast because they are in the same network together, not like they are sending over the internet. That is about CAN area network using the wireless connection. Now let's talk about the wired connection. They can use cables. Like I said, cables can be your copper cable or fiber cable, so they can use cable and install it on the ground, it on the rooftop. That is how they create CAN network. So now let's move on to Metropolitan area network. It's multiple CANs and LANs to allow connection in a city. In a city, a bank can create Metropolitan area network to connect all their branches together for smooth experience in a city. That is Metropolitan area network. So this can also be done wireless or wired connection. So now let's move on to WAN, wide area network. It's a type of network that connects multiple MANs, CANs and LANs in a country. So WAN is communication in a country, MAN is communication in a city, then CAN is communication in a geographical area, just that area. That's the difference between the three networks. So the next one I would like to talk about is the GAN, global area network. Global area network is the network of MAN, WAN, CAN and LAN. So this will connect these networks together in a continent or the world, the whole world. Example, your internet. Internet is an example of global area network. So how do we achieve this? We can use cable or satellites to achieve this. So this is how we can create global area network. Let's talk about SAN, storage area network. This is the network that lets your server talk to the storage for smoother experience, to be able to share data seamlessly. For example, the bank aspect now, they store your transaction histories in this storage area network. So their server talks to this storage area network. That's the end of the episode 2, and thank you so much for watching, and you all do have a nice day.